In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted chat in Telegram in just 5 minutes. If you've ever been in a situation where you've accidentally deleted a chat that you meant to keep, don't worry. This happens to the best of us. But thankfully, there's a straightforward way to recover those missing conversations. We'll walk through each step with you. So grab your phone and open the Telegram app, and let's get started. First things first, open up your Telegram app on your smartphone. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct account where you lost the chat. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you've selected the right one. Once you're in, the main screen will display all of your recent conversations. Next, you'll want to locate the section for archived chats. Now, you might be wondering where to find this little treasure trove of conversations. It's pretty simple. Scroll to the top of your chat list. Depending on your app version or phone, you might either see archived chats right at the top, or you may need to swipe down and it will reveal itself. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This area stores all the chats that you've previously archived rather than deleted. Keep in mind that storing chats here is a great way to clean up your main screen, but still keep important conversations close at hand. With the archive open, you'll see a list of any chats that have been archived. From here, it's time to sift through and find the specific chat you want to restore. If your list is long, take your time, or you can use the search function to speed up this process. Tap on the chat you want to revive. Once selected, a host of options will usually appear at the top of your screen. Finally, once you've highlighted that lost conversation, look for the option to unarchive. This might be represented by an icon or clearly labeled, depending on your device. Tap on Unarchive, and just like that, the chat will move back into your main chat list, making it readily available whenever you need it. No lost messages nor forgotten conversations, just back in their rightful place as if they never left. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily restore and manage your Telegram conversations, keeping your important chats within reach whenever you need them. Remember, archiving is a handy tool to organize your messaging life without the risk of losing information. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks to make the most of your tech life.